Alright, so got the seat off, got the bolt out here for the tank, and then the tank just sort of lifts up, and here's the connector for the fuel pump. Put a click there. Alright, got that disconnected, and it looks like it has some sort of quick disconnect here, but I'm just going to disconnect it right here if I can. And I have this little Tupperware just in case I get some leakage, so I protect, you know, just anything underneath it. I wonder.
This is kind of wide, Papa. I don't like the lawnmower.
Oh, look at that.
After I do it,
I squeezed that in and it came right off.
you hear me? Papa?
There you go.